لحظة كيف لحظة
افتح استاذ خش استاذ خش.
يلا يا طلاب.
Okay, boys, here we have a passage. Read the passage and find the answers. Without light, we are not able to see things around us. Light travels in a straight line. We see objects after reflection of light. All light passes through transparent objects. Some light passes through translucent objects, while no light passes through opaque objects. Conductors allow electric charges to pass through them. E.g. means, for example, aluminium and nail, while insulators do not allow electric charges to pass through them. For example, wood and rubber band. Okay, after that you have questions. Question number 1. How do we see objects? How do we see objects?
The science
How do we see objects? Okay, here you have the answer. We see objects after reflection of light. This is the answer. We see objects after reflection of light. Question number 2. How does the light travel? How does the light travel? Light travels in a straight line. Here you have the answer. Light travels in a straight line. Question number 3. What are transparent objects? What are transparent objects? You can see here. All light passes through transparent objects. All light passes through transparent objects. Next. All light passes through transparent objects. Next. Explain opaque objects with examples. Okay. Opaque objects. No light passes through opaque objects like your book, humans, tree, and many other things you can write here. You can write 3 examples. Abatal, opaque objects yani the light cannot pass from opaque objects. You cannot see through opaque objects, right? What are translucent objects? Translucent objects, you can see here, some light passes through translucent objects. This is the answer for last question. For the last question. And the main basic question is write a summary about unit number 1. You will write a summary about unit number 1. What you know, what have you learned in unit number 1? Okay. You will write here 3, 5 or 7 lines about unit number 1. Okay, Batal, you didn't understand opaque, right? So here you can see translucent.
Mr.
Batal Badr, be with me. Translucent, transparent and opaque objects. From transparent objects, all light passes through transparent objects. You can see through them. Okay, like glasses, you can see through glasses. Okay. Number 2, you have translucent. Some light passes through translucent objects. Some light, not all like transparent. Some light. Next, you have opaque. From opaque, you cannot see, and light cannot pass through opaque objects. Okay. Here you can see.
لا صوتك يقطع مرة.
This is good.
Okay, this is it. Here you can see transparent, opaque objects. You cannot see anything. Translucent, you can see a little bit.
أستاذ
But
أنا كنت
from-
موجود بس النت عندي كان خربان.
Okay, خلاص. Okay. Thank you, Batta. And from transparent objects, you can see
صوتك
everything.
ما أسمع شيء مرة.
From transparent objects, you can.
ترسل هذا جوجل درايف.
Yes, I will send this to Google Drive. Okay.
صوتك يقطع.
This is it for today.
يا